What do people say when they stand into it?
It's lovely, isn't it? Hi guys, today we have the Dethleffs Globebus i7. The key selling points of this particular vehicle is that it is a 4-berth, it's an A-class, she's 3.5 tonne, but it has a payload of 525 kg and the overall length of the vehicle is 7 metres. The width of the vehicle is 2.2, so that bit narrower than a lot of other vehicles, but it doesn't feel it from a space point of view inside. It has the rot-proof and smart lifetime construction. It has the height adjustable bed at the rear of the vehicle. It's an island bed. It just raises up and down, so it gives you that option of having additional garage space underneath if one wanted.